Hello children, welcome to my channel and Radha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6 Science and chapter 2, that is components of food. So before that I always say subscribe my channel, like my channel and share it as much as it is possible ताकि सभी बच्चों को इस चीज का फायदा हो सके. Okay, so let us start with me chapter 2. Okay, see, in the first chapter we have read about food. What is food and where does it come from? What are the functions of food? So these many things we have read. But now in the second chapter we will read about the components of food. Children, you know the meaning of component? Means what is present in the food, what important, what essential thing is present in the food which is important for our body. Okay, we are taking food, हम food खाते हैं, उससे हमें कुछ मिलता है, एनर्जी मिलती है, लेकिन उसमें क्या चीज प्रेजेंट होती है जो हमें एनर्जी देती है, that is most important and that are only known as nutrients or components, right? So in this chapter we will read all these important things over here. Okay children, so we are at food item. Okay, what do different food items contain? What is present in the food? So our food items, if I'll say of rice, okay, I have taken the example of rice. Rice is a food item. In the previous chapter we read about the food items. Okay, rice means cooked rice. Cooked rice is made from two things, that is water and what? Raw rice. Then we'll get the cooked rice that we eat. We are not eating raw rice. Okay. So food item is composed of what? Ingredients. These two are what? Ingredients. So in the last chapter we have read about ingredients. Now these ingredients come from, means what are the sources? What are the sources? What are the sources of these ingredients? We get the ingredients from either plant or from animals. Plants we are getting all pulses, then rice, wheat, etc. And from animals all milk products. Okay, we are getting milk and all its products from animals, then meat, then egg, right? Ghee is all coming under milk products. So children, this thing is clear to you. Food item is composed of, food item is made from different ingredients. Okay, different ingredients. These ingredients we are getting from, हमें कहाँ से मिलता है ये? या तो plant से मिलेगा या फिर animal से मिलेगा. Now from plants, which ingredients we are getting? Maybe it will be pulses, raw rice or wheat or many more things, oil, etc. And come to this one, that is animal. Animal से हमें क्या मिलेगा? Milk product, then meat, eggs, etc. So till here I think this is understood, but in this chapter more about food item is there. Like we are eating food to get energy. हम क्यों खाना खाते हैं? ताकि हमें energy मिले. Now if we are taking same type of food, means if we are taking only rice and rice all the time, only rice, which component we will get from it? Okay, which component? Means if you are taking rice, then that is sufficient for your body. For all the functions we need rice only? No. We need different kinds of food in a right amount. Okay. okay, in a right amount. Right amount means rice we are taking little bit in more quantity, but pulses we are taking in less quantity than that of the carbohydrate. उससे भी कम हम क्या लेते हैं? विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. सब्जी और ये और साग सब्जी जो भी है वो आप चावल की जैसे क्वांटिटी में नहीं खाते हो, वो आप थोड़ी कम क्वांटिटी में खाते हो. घी ऑल्सो यू आर टेकिंग इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो देर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फूड that are very important for our health. That different food items contain different kinds of essential element. These food items contain different essential food component or element. I am writing here elements. Okay, these elements are known as what? Component or what? Nutrient. Right? Nutrients means we are having in our food different types of nutrients. Nutrients, you know about the nutrients? Yes, we are getting nutrients to see. Nutrients. In our food, different types of nutrients are present. Mainly, the nutrients are of, see, the first one we are taking in more quantity. That is what? Carbohydrate. That contains carbohydrates. So children, just now you have read about what do different food items contain. हर food item में कुछ ना कुछ important elements होते हैं. That is why we are eating that food. Okay, like rice. Rice is having carbohydrates in it. Dal is having pulses. They are having proteins in it. Then ghee, oil. These are having what? Fats in it. Then fruits, vegetables, these are having vitamins and minerals in it. So, about all that nutrients we will just read now. Okay. Now see, what do different food items contain? They contain what? Nutrients. They contain nutrients. Now nutrients are of different types. In our diet, we are taking different kinds of nutrients. Okay. When we take different kind of nutrient in right amount, then that diet is known as what? Balanced. What? Balanced diet. Okay children, we will read it afterward. Before this, we must know firstly what are the different nutrients that are present in our food. So first is what? Carbohydrates. Second is proteins. Third is fats, then is vitamins and minerals. These four are important, these 4-5 are important, but some more nutrients are present in our food. That is essential. They are not giving us any that power or any important thing to us, but these two nutrients means water and roughage. These two nutrients help in digestion of food so that we can have these nutrients in us. For digestion of these nutrients, we need water and roughage in our food. Okay, so we are considering that into nutrients only. Okay, not nutrients, we can say components. Okay, let us see first these four one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, we call this, why it is important for our health, why it is important? We are taking carbohydrate in large quantity. Okay, हम सबसे ज़्यादा जो खाते हैं अपने खाने में, that we are having what? That we are taking what? Carbohydrates. इसको हम और एक चीज कहते हैं, that is energy giving food. Right? Instantly they give us energy. Okay, rice, roti, all cereals. What? All cereals. See, I have written here sources and importance. Why it is important? Because it gives us energy, instant energy it is giving. Then what are the sources? हमें ये कहाँ से मिलता है? From where we are getting these carbohydrate? We are getting these from plants. Okay, means plant से मिलता है. But what? Cereals, in form of cereals. Right, children? Cereals, then bread and all are coming under this. Okay, all types of cereals. We are getting carbohydrates. Okay, you can write rice, then wheat, then bajra, etc. Right? Now come to the next, that is proteins. Proteins are very, very essential for children. Mainly the growing child needs a lot of protein. That is why your mother always say have milk daily, twice. Okay, आपको रोज दूध पीना चाहिए. दूध में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोटीन्स होता है. Then प्रोटीन क्यों होता है छोटे बच्चों के लिए जरूरी? Because that is what body building. This is body building food. हम इसको बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड भी कहते हैं. बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड मीन्स हमारे सेल्स को, टिश्यूज को जो टूट जाते हैं, हमें चोट लगती है, देखते हो आप, उसके ऊपर ब्लैक हो जाता है. दैट कवरिंग स्किन वहां की डेड हो जाती है. सो दैट डेड स्किन इज रिकवर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटीन. अगर आप अच्छे अमाउंट में प्रोटीन खाते हो तो आपके जो भी वाउंड्स होते हैं ना, वो बहुत जल्दी फिल हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो वी आर कॉलिंग इट व्हाट? बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. फॉर आवर बोन्स, फॉर ग्रोथ ऑफ अवर बोन्स, फॉर टीथ, ऑल दैट वी रिक्वायर व्हाट? प्रोटीन्स. देन प्रोटीन आपको मिलता कहाँ से? फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर गेटिंग प्रोटीन? Protein you are getting from pulses. These are the major source of pulses. Dals are very important in our diets. Then pulses, then milk. From milk we are getting. Then from egg, meat. All that give us proteins. Right, children? Now come to the next. That is fats. Fats. Now fats. नाम से ही आपको पता है क्या होगा? फैट्स कहाँ से मिलेगा? वी गेट फैट्स. ओके, बिफोर दैट फैट्स को हम और क्या कहते हैं? दे आर ऑल्सो व्हाट? एनर्जी गिविंग. दे आर एनर्जी गिविंग. दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. इसका वाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट? बिकॉज इट गिव्स अस एनर्जी, इंस्टेंट एनर्जी इट इज गिविंग. सी, व्हेन वी आर फॉलिंग इल, जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं तो हम कुछ नहीं खाते, फिर भी हम कितने दिनों तक, 4-5 दिनों तक भी हमें कुछ भी नहीं होता है. रीजन कि फैट्स जब हम खाते हैं, इट गेट्स डिपोजिट इन अवर बॉडी, एंड व्हेन वी आर फॉलिंग इल, देन दैट फैट इज यूज्ड बाय अवर बॉडी. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई वी मस्ट हैव some amount of fat in our body. Okay, so fat is very, very essential in our diet. आपको घी बिल्कुल अच्छी क्वांटिटी में खाना चाहिए. Then after, fats हमें मिलता कहाँ से? Just now I told you, घी, all milk product ना, that is giving you, not all milk products, cheese हो गया, butter, then cream, all that. Okay, then after come to the next, that is vitamins and minerals. So children, I just rub this. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals बोलते हैं ना, साग सब्जी खाओ, green leafy vegetables खाओ, daily fruits खाओ, daily have an apple. One apple makes the doctor away, an apple in a day makes the doctor away. That means what? एक apple रोज खाओगे तो डॉक्टर पास में नहीं आएगा. You should have one fruit daily. That is very important for your body. See, for your health, vitamin and mineral, these are also known as protective. from diseases. They fight with the diseases and make you protected from that diseases. Okay, from where you are getting this? आपको मिलता कहाँ से? Just now I told you. What? From fruits. From fruits, from vegetables. Now vitamins are and minerals are not of one kind, they are of different kind. That in detail you will read in further classes. But in 6th class also some type of vitamin and mineral I will tell you in the next video. So children, be with me in the next video. Subscribe my channel, share my channel and like my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.